currently in the process of making a little battery for my new gadget. I've already checked all the settings. This is one of my Chinese batteries for my old robot vacuum cleaner. I had to rejuvenate it. It's self-discharged super far and won't charge. So we're not charging it. And the nice thing is, no, it's already working. Hello, what my case? Okay, it's already working, and it seems to be able to heat up the iron for a little bit until it just runs out of battery and stops working. Yeah, it's not powerful, but it sure does work. And it seems like it doesn't determine the low voltage yet, which is strange. Anyway, I've got a development build on here and she'll check with the stable build if this works. But yeah, the iron is heating up. But the battery's dead, so it's gonna cut out now. Yeah, look, it cut out. That's because the battery's not full yet, but it's just to be able to take it. Nice. Come on, fucking on, focus. Well, after a reset, I actually got it to work. Look, it's detecting the battery's dead, but it doesn't fit on screen. That's nice. Alrighty, well, time to buy a new battery, I guess, for my multimeter. It is reading way too freaking high.